The Losi 5 short course truck, the standard for large-scale gasoline RC vehicles, and the platform of choice in fifth scale racing. But before we go racing, I just have one little problem. These are my chronicles of starting a gas RC. Meet Trevor. He's the RC god. This guy can fix anything. You've already met the Losi 5IVE-T. I couldn't get the big fella to start, so I brought it to Trevor. And he's going to showcase some of his favorite techniques to start it. First, you got to test to see if we got a spark.
Yeah, it seems light, but there is a spark.
We got the spark, but we can't get it to start. Trevor decided to just replace the spark plug, touch the body, pull it, and see if we have a spark. Definitely have a spark. We have fuel, we have a spark. Still not starting though. We're starting to think we flooded this thing out, so we're gonna get rid of some of the gas with a butane torch. Don't try this at home, or at least have a supervised adult. Since 1, 2, and 3 didn't work, Trevor decided to dig a little deeper, opening up the air cleaner, and we're going to expose the carburetor. Now this rig is brand new out the box, but he's double checking to make sure we don't have a carburetor issue. This carburetor has a high and a low needle. Everything's been set to factory standards. So what's wrong with this carb? Air filter removed, carburetor removed. Now we're just going to pull the string and get all of the excess fuel out. Fifth step in troubleshooting, making sure everything is dried out. Man, Trevor's leaving no stone unturned. We're getting this thing completely broken down, putting it all back together, every step of the way, pulling the cord, trying to get it to start. Number 6 on the tip list, a heat gun. Try to get this thing up to temperature so you don't have to work so hard to get that spark plug going. That's gotta work, right? Nah, we're just showing you guys all the ways to get this thing started, man. Come on, you know we know what we're doing. I'd like to give a big shout out to Trevor for letting us behind the curtain to see what the guys do to get these things started. But none of that worked, and now it's time to go see Yoda. And yes, Yoda is Sean. And Sean is the proprietor and the owner of Jack's RC Recycle and Repair. And if anybody's gonna get my car started before race day, it's gonna be Yoda. Now, maybe Trevor got us all the way down to the 1 yard line like Saquon Barkley, and all Big Sean has to do is a tush push and score the 6. But either way, we win. Either way. Sean is tuning the high and the low end of the car by memory. A few pulls, release the choke. Did you hear that burp? There it is again. Brap. Let's go. You know what we never did? We never flipped it off of the choke. Shouldn't need anything on. Start closing. Yeah. And if you gotta flip it, then it ain't tuned right. Or it's not tuned, adjusted. Start. You should start by itself. Yoda got it to start. Yoda made it start! Hey, Yoda got it to start in 4 pulls, dog. Hey, 4 pulls, Yoda got it to start. This is probably the most comprehensive starting tutorial on the internet. Thank you to Sean. Thank you to Trevor. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so we can give you some more. Hey, man, from a 5-7.